Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to open a Mercury bank account. So let's get started. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to create a Mercury bank account. First, go to your browser and search for Mercury bank account. From the search results, open the official Mercury website. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a field where you need to enter your email address. Type in your email and click on the Open Account button to begin the process. After that, wait for the page to load. Then enter your first name and last name to continue with the application. Next, you'll be asked to provide your company name. For example, it could be something like Amazon, Apple, or any name related to your business. After entering the company name, you'll need to create your Mercury call sign. Remember that this call sign can only include letters, numbers, and dashes. Then you'll see a section asking whether your company falls under certain categories. These may include things like a publicly traded company, internet gambling business, or a business involved in the sale, distribution, or manufacturing of firearms or ammunition. If your business does not fall into any of these categories, simply select none of the above. Finally, enter your work email address and create a password for your account. After filling in the details, click on Start Application to complete the process. Once you've done that, your Mercury account application will be submitted, and you'll have successfully started the process of opening your Mercury bank account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.